Good morning and happy Friday. We're following breaking news out of Mexico. USGS reporting a preliminary 6.5 magnitude earthquake in southern Mexico. Here's a better visualization of where this is located. This is not too far from Acapulco, not too far south of Mexico City, but this is northwest of Rancho Viejo, Mexico, according to the USGS. This is a look at the current shake map of where this could possibly be felt, and you're able to see the outline there. And like I said, not too far from Acapulco. This is actually not far south of Mexico City. So we're keeping an eye on the damage reports out of this, and we'll bring you the latest once we hear about it. But looking at plate tectonics, you have the North American plate, and then you also have the Cocos plate that's south of us. So that boundary right there is a very high risk area for earthquakes, and that's exactly what we're seeing today. So we'll bring you the latest, and you can always find the latest updates on KHEU.com.